I'll do it again when we left on bush. Point 2. What street is this? No, not this one. Not that one. The next one is bush.
I see it. It says bush.
Left on bush. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Hindi ko nabidyan. Sorry. Still it, baby. And then 0.5, turn right on Steiner. Tingnan ko yan, no? I wanna take a video of that house. When we move, diba? Point 5, still 0.5. This is Broderick. No, not Broderick. And then this is what? Scopo Divino. No, not Scopo. More.
Divisadero.
Huh? Where?
It says Divisadero.
Ah, okay. So Divisadero, no. No. And then Scott Street, no.
Great Scott.
Great Scott. Still 0.2 miles. Not Scott and not Pierce. Steiner. Turn right on Steiner. I hope we can find parking. Anong church kaya yun? Pierce. Steiner. Steiner. Church. This one. This one. Yeah, that's it. Turn right. There you go. And then Painted Ladies straight in 0.7 miles. This is it. I wanna see the Painted Ladies. I wanna see them and take a picture like the one in Full House. And then we can go. Just wanna see it.
Do you want to park or no?
More.
Or do you want to park
0.6.
there?
Park there.
Yeah, when we get there.
Yeah, when we get there. The Painted Ladies is on the left. But we can just look. It's like a park. Look, there's a green. 0.5 miles. This is O'Farrell. O'Farrell. Tumira dito sa ano. Tsaka kung may pera ka, hindi ka na makakabili ng bahay dito dahil wala namang for sale. Right?
Right.
Ano sino magbibenta sa'yo? May ari na. See, at least maan natin yung araw natin. Tomorrow we're gonna be in fish 0.3 miles. Just straight. All these people are gonna go to that painted
Oh, it's
thing.
Turk.
Huh?
This is Turk, and then the next one is that's where I go to Japantown.
Oh.
That's the street where it is.
Okay, and the next is McAllister. McAllister, isn't that Kevin?
Do you see?
Sa Home Alone?
Yeah.
It's just here, and then we're gonna sit there in the park and take a picture, and then that's it. I'm gonna take a video of these nice houses. And please. Never mind. I missed it because of this stupid car. There, we're almost there.
What street is this? This is Alamo Square, right here in San Francisco. Look at the houses.
Do we need to go up here so we can go to the grass? Or we just...
Oh, where is the painted ladies? That one. I gotta. I'm going. Let me just finish this 1 minute. Ganda rito, no? No wonder San Francisco is very expensive. See that? When I went across the top, see where I'm trying to find the pagoda. Oh, look, the building is taller than the ground.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi guys, this is Japantown in San Francisco. I don't know what it's called, but it's like you're in Japan.